Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows Update error code 0x8024A218 that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, and the error message show there were some problems installing updates, but we'll try again later. If you keep seeing this and want to search the web or contact support for informations, this may help 0x8024A218 kung paano ba natin ito i-fix. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa services local, and then ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate ay yung background intelligence transfer service. Ito siya mga kaibigan. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang next step dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan, and then i-select mo lang dito yung automatic. And then next step dito naman sa kanyang running, ay click mo lang tong stop, and then wait natin. And then next step dito lang sa service status, i-click mo lang tong start, and then wait natin. And then pagkatapos ay i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next, services local, command keyword na kailangan natin i-locate, ay hanapin natin yung Windows Update. Okay, so scroll na lang tayo. And then i-locate lang natin yung Windows Update. And then ito na siya. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click ulit. And then pop up ng kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type. So kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic. And then dito sa running, ay click mo lang tong stop, and then wait natin. And then dito sa kanyang service status, i-click mo lang tong start, and then wait natin ulit. Pagkatapos, click mo lang tong apply, and then click mo lang tong okay. And then after dito sa services local, so ang next solution or next step, so close lang natin yan. Dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito. And then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem /online /cleanup-image /restore health. So, copy lang natin yan. And then next step, i-paste natin dito. So, kung paano ba natin yan i-paste, dito lang sa taas, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung edit. And then click mo lang dito yung paste. Or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then click lang natin yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. Makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicing and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin na hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter, ay tap mo lang yung fc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. Ayan, so or complete na dito sa command prompt, and hope na resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so in another solution na pwede kong ituro sa inyo, ay close lang natin tong CMD. Dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung troubleshoot settings. Ayan, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And then next step, dito lang sa troubleshoots, and then dito lang sa options under nito, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. And then dito sa other troubleshooters, and then dito lang sa most frequent, kailangan mo lang select dito yung Windows Update. And then dito sa right side, i-click mo lang tong run. And then wait natin na makomplete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic mga kaibigan. And so troubleshooting has completed. So ang next step, so close lang natin to. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update Error Code 0x8024A21A and Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.